Hello. My name is Alex. I am an audio bot for BestFreePennyStocks.com. I will be reading to you today. Title: Penny Stock Advice from the Experts. Whether you are new to investing in the stock market or an experienced investor, penny stocks can provide excellent opportunities to increase your income and participate in the stock market. Penny stocks are sometimes referred to as micro-cap stocks or pink sheets and can be easily purchased without the assistance of a stockbroker. Learn about penny stocks in the stock market. One of the best pieces of advice about penny stocks is to learn about the stock market. Instead of just jumping into investing in the stock market, start reading and learning everything you can about how the stock market functions as part of the economy and what factors influence stock prices. Penny stocks are an excellent way to begin to learn how to invest in stocks and trade them. However, if you lack an understanding of basic stock market concepts and economics, you may lose whatever money you invest quickly, souring you on the entire idea of investing in the stock market. If you have begun to think about investing in the stock market, begin to read books on business finance and economics. Pay attention to programs like Bloomberg Reports and Mad Money on CNBC. Consider taking an introductory finance and investing course through your local adult education program or community college. You can also learn about penny stocks and stock market investing by reading blogs from recognized stock experts. Read as many different expert perspectives as possible, so that you gain a broad picture of potential industries for future investment and methods for picking profitable penny stocks. Risk only what you can afford to lose. It may sound trite, but investing in the stock market can be a gamble, no matter how you look at it. Any money you invest in the stock market, whether it be through inexpensive penny stocks or blue chip stocks, can potentially be lost with changes in stock value. The risk of losing your investment can be especially true with penny stocks. Since the initial cost of the stock is so low, less than $5 per share, the value of the stock can change quickly, either up or down. If the price goes up, you are making money, but if the price goes down, you are losing money. The good news is that investing in penny stocks only requires a few $100s, instead of thousands of dollars needed to invest in blue chip stocks. However, if you are scraping by to make ends meet, even $100 may be too much money for you to risk losing. Do your research. When you are thinking about investing in the stock market, it can be very tempting to allow yourself to get caught up in the buzz about the latest new technology or company that will be the next Apple or Facebook. Rumors about companies that will make money easily and change the face of technology and society abound. The reality is that this rarely happens. Instead of making choices about penny stock picks based on rumors and gut feelings, take the time to carefully research potential companies and their products. There are many different ways to approach researching potential penny stocks. If you already know what products or services a company is developing or producing, investigate how those items are already performing. If they have not yet been introduced, look into the performance of similar products and services. Look for sales reports, including monthly, quarterly and annual numbers. Consider if there are seasonal upticks in sales, such as around the holidays at the end of the year, when school starts or other events. If a company's stock is traded on a stock exchange, they are required to make financial reports available to the public. Get copies of those annual and quarterly earnings reports and any other financial statements available. If you do not already know how to read financial business reports, take a class in business finance so you can evaluate financial information accurately. Read evaluations and recommendations from known stock and industry experts. Find out if they have an opinion about the principles in the company and if they have a successful track record in past endeavors. Look for upgrades and downgrades from experts regarding the company and their services and products. Also, read news reports. It can sometimes be revealing to find out what the buzz is about a company. You may find out about potential problems with corporate leadership, products and other aspects of the company simply by reading news reports. Decide limits in advance. When you are investing in penny stocks, it can be tempting to treat the entire activity as a gamble, especially if you start to see a dramatic increase in the value of the stock. However, it is important to remember that you are making a business investment. Before buying any penny stock, decide in advance how much money you want to make before selling the stock. Values can change within a very short period of time, so it is important to make these decisions before making a penny stock purchase. Use stop-loss orders and limit orders to control price points where you will sell or buy penny stocks. Stop-loss orders set an order in advance that determines at what price you will sell the stock. If the price drops, the order is set into motion and your shares go up for sale. By the same token, limit orders set a maximum price you are willing to pay to purchase shares. This allows trades to happen after hours without you needing to be awake and monitoring the market during off hours. Be willing to be flexible. As with most things in life, events can happen that change your predetermined choices with penny stocks. With some penny stocks, it can take years before you really begin to see a profit. This may be due to product development timelines or the need to educate potential markets about new technologies or services. In some cases, you can find yourself investing in a penny stock that simply tanks because of a news item or things outside the stock market, such as catastrophic social or environmental events. When this happens, you may need to adjust your stop-loss orders and sell sooner than anticipated. Penny stocks are not without risk. However, they can also be a tremendous opportunity to learn about buying and selling stocks without risking a great deal of money. They can also be the chance to invest in a new company or technology that becomes extremely popular and valuable. By educating yourself, doing your research and making critical decisions before you invest in penny stocks, you can be a smart investor and minimize your risk and potentially make some real money in the process. To learn about penny stocks, stock tips, and much more, visit BestFreePennyStocks.com.